Good morning, friends. So today again I came in front of all of you as usual. Today I brought a new story that is based on a bucket. Through this bucket, what is use of your life? I am going to narrate here and hope that you will try to get that thing which I am going to narrate here through this bucket. This bucket in initial time when it was purchased, always it was clean and always it was very useful. Always the gardener used it very much, and when he got hole, then what was the use of this? What happened with this bucket? I am going to narrate. And what happened when the body of your will be young, you will be earner, you earn the money. What is value? What will be the value when you are useless, when you are not earning money? What will be the use of that? I am going to narrate here through this little bit story. This mean by this bucket, hope that you will try to ethic of this story. Once upon a time, a gardener purchased a bucket. The bucket was new, bright, so this reason use of this bucket very expensive, very much. Always he was giving water to the plant through this bucket, and this bucket was always neat and clean because it was new and it was expensive. So this reason value and caretaking of this bucket was very higher in comparison to all other things. And it happened in our life as well. When the any person is expensive, when any person is pricious, then use of that, then value of that for some time will be so higher because that is very valuable, that is very expensive. Then we will always keep that neat and clean, always we take care of that. This happened with that bucket. That bucket was always got happy because this was the treatment of that bucket every day. Once upon a time, after long time, bucket got a hole. After hole, what happened? This bucket I am narrating here. The gardener thought this bucket is now useless because this has got a hole, and what will I do of this bucket? Because when I will fulfill water, then that water will pour through this hole, then it is useless. I should throw it, I should toss it. Then that gardener tossed to that bucket in a garden of gardener. And after that, saying to this thing, offending to the gardener, that bucket got so unhappy, so unpleasant, because at the time of that knew what was the value, and after got a hole, what is now the value of this bucket? Saying to this thing, the bucket got so unhappy, so disturbed, so disappointed. So one day when the bucket was in garden, in the corner of garden, he always faced lot of dust, warm, humidity, temperature, winter, all the season they have faced in that corner of garden. One day a girl came over there and saw to that bucket and hope that it will be new, I should use it, I can use it. So this reason that girl took to that bucket and kept one place and given water cleaned to that bucket. And when she saw that bucket was full, so she thought, what is use of this? What will I do? Because this got hole and it is a useless. That girl also murmured, that girl also whispered to this sentence, that I have done lot of work, I have cleaned it, now it is useless. It means the gardener have tossed it. By this the reason, it was the point, it was thinking of that girl as well. But that girl thought, now I have cleaned it, so this reason I should use it. So that girl took to that bucket in her home, and she planted a teeny rose in that bucket. After planting the teeny rose, That bucket got so happy because that bucket understood now the caretaking will be so much, because I was in gardener corner, no was used there, everyone every day given lot of tasks, lot of kicked to me, so this reason I was unhappy. Now I will always get here water and I will be happy with this rose plant. He filled soil in that bucket and always given water to that teeny rose plant. It happened every day, and that girl said to that bucket, "It is your responsibility, it is your accountability to take care of this teeny rose plant, because you were useless. I have used it, so your responsibility will be it." So you can understand that when you're the use, when you are young, when your body activity is at the higher strength, at the peak of time, then use of your body, use of your intelligence will be so high. When you will be growing up, then use of you, price of your body will be lower in comparison to all other which happen this bucket. So always keep your value, otherwise always you get tossed like this bucket, always the person will kick you like this bucket. Hope that you will understand to the ethic, to the morality of this story, that what is use of your value, what is your importance when you are earning money, and when you are useless, when you are not earning money, then what will be used. You can understand, you can understand, estimate this bucket, because when it was young, when it was useful, then always it was neat and clean, done by that gardener. But when he got old, then always got kicked by that gardener, that honor. Like this it also happen with you. When you will earn, then your worship, your value will be so higher in comparison to other. Hope that you will try to understand that thing. Tomorrow again I will meet you. Till then, bye bye again.